Okay guys, in this video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin as well as Veracity. Before that, the market is looking a little bit shaky right now. Bitcoin is under 0.5%, in the past 7 days up 4%, guys. Let's have a look at this news right here. Bitcoin ETF is finally here. This is very good news, very good sign for Bitcoin overall. Let's dive into the charts. Before anything, guys, sorry if the audio quality is not as good. I don't have my mic with me. Anyways, diving into Bitcoin real quick. This is the Bitcoin BTC chart, guys, as you guys can see right here on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we saw this nice little bullish divergence right here. For those of you guys who don't know, this is just a refresh, a memory, just a educational lesson, of course. For those of you guys who don't know what a bullish divergence is when you see an increase in the chart essentially and a decrease in the RSI. That's usually very bullish, very good sign for Bitcoin or any asset that essentially does that. Usually it will be very good. Anyways, also on the exponential moving average, guys, we are right now right above it. Of course, as you can see, very beautiful. That's on the weekly. Having a look at the daily time frame on the exponential moving average, this is how well these EMA ribbons work, guys. I told you in my previous video that we might come back a few days ago on August 16th, approximately 3.5 days ago. I said that we may come back and retouch this exponential moving average, which is a 20 EMA. Go look back 2-3 days ago on my Bitcoin video, and look at this, guys. We saw a beautiful, nice little kiss on the 20 exponential on the 20 exponential moving average, and now bounce back up. Now my target from here should be 50,000. Okay, this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is my my target. I'm playing based off. I'm reacting to the market essentially, and I'm not predicting this. So let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at our risk. Assuming you took a long right here, you had a buy order with 5x leverage, okay? Because this is what I essentially said that it will happen. So assuming you did that, you put a stop loss. Let's say you could afford to lose 10%, assuming, and you want to take your profit at 48,000, guys. Guys, that's almost 45% increase with a 5x leverage. That's if you're trading this with $10,000, that's essentially $4,500 gain, which is fantastic. And I put the profit right here, okay, which is very good. I didn't even put it at 50,000. Now, in my opinion, I think it will go to 50,000, but it's never good to essentially go to your full potential or your full target, because you never know when you're gonna get that rejection, perhaps right here at that resistance. That's for that, guys. Let's have a look at the moving averages. So on the moving average, we are, let's take away the 9 moving average, we are below the 200 moving average, which is slightly bearish, but we're gonna have to see what happens here if we get rejected or not. It's gonna actually in fact be very interesting when this daily candle closes. If we manage to close above the 200 moving average, let me zoom in for you guys real quick. If we manage to close above the 200 moving average, that would be very fantastic for Bitcoin. Having a look at the 4-hour time frame, we got a nice little beautiful rejection on the 50 moving average. The 200 is all the way down there, so there's nothing we should worry about. We are in a slight downtrend on the 4-hour, as you guys can see right here. I would like for Bitcoin to break, clean above that to perhaps 46,000. Not only are we going to be above the 50 moving average, but we're going to be above the trend line, and we're going to be above the daily 200 moving average, which is fantastic. On the EMA ribbons, nothing too crazy. We just broke right above it, came back, retested that. We also do have a support right there. Let me take that away. We do have this nice little beautiful support holding very strongly. If we have a look at the VPVR volume profile, let's have a look. Let's have a look at this real quick. VPVR volume profile, boom. This is the point where Bitcoin has mostly been traded ever since August 8th. Okay, so in the past, I would say in the past 10 days, ever since we've been consolidating like this, as you can see, boom. Bitcoin, we've been trading at this area the most, so this is why we got a nice little rejection right here. Not only did we see one right here, but we also seeing another move right here. So this is actually very interesting. Volume profile, it's not the volume, it doesn't calculate how much volume was traded in that specific time frame. It tells you how much was traded in a specific price range, which is very interesting. And now we're seeing a nice little drop right now, which is in fact very interesting. Having a look at Verasity, guys, VRA is absolutely exploding. 2.5 cents almost. If you guys saw my last VRA video, I did mention that we will hit that line at 2.5 cents. Now, should we take profit around there? Guys, that's depending on you, whether you guys want to take profit or not. We saw a nice little support right here. We came back, retested, bounced back up. Now we do have that nice little support right here again. Came back, retested, pop back up. Guys, this is looking beautiful. VRA, very, very underrated coin. It's the market cap is about approximately, I believe it's about under $100 million, which is cheap, guys. It's very, very cheap in my opinion. You should be accumulating this coin. I've been talking about this coin ever since we were approximately right here. I'm not going to say ever since we were at the bottom, but ever since we were at the 1 cent region. And look at that. If I take this and I go all the way up, that's 115%, guys. 115% in how long? Since the 27th of July. That's in less than a month, essentially. You're making 115% gain. That is fantastic. Another thing is that we also had this Adams and Eve recovery shape. If you guys don't know, I would highly suggest what it is. We saw this nice little V shape and this nice little cup, okay? So that's an Adam and Eve pattern. And let me take that away real quick. Adam and Eve pattern, essentially, okay? So when you have a V and a cup. Now, if we manage to break this line right here, this resistance, our target for that, you guys ready for this? This is how we would do. We would take this from the bottom of the cup, put it at the target, at the top of the breakout. Our target should essentially be 44 cents. It should essentially be 4 cents. Now, assuming you bought right here when I said so, okay? Assuming, guys, that is fantastic gain. Oh my god, what is wrong? That is fantastic gain. That is approximately 235%. Now, if you guys think you guys got in so late, that's approximately 52%, which is still fantastic in my opinion. Anyways, guys, that's a quick video on Verasity and Bitcoin, of course. That's it. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any thing you guys want me to cover, any other coins, put it in the comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video.